Hi, my name is Tom, WY7KY, and I'll be taking you on a little tour of my shack today. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, we're going to start over here where we've got a couple of signs over here. Howl Sound. Got a couple of pretty cool QSL cards. One from Last Man Standing, where I contacted them not too long ago. And we'll run you through some of the equipment that I've got here. I've got a older Dentron Super Tuner that I use for my wire and beam antennas if I need to touch them up. And this is the switch for tower number 2. And I've got a remote 2-position switch that runs the A4S Yagi or the 17-meter DX half square. Switch between those. Over here I've got a couple of items. The one is the Ameritron AL811 amplifier that I use. And I also have a Daiwa 2000 watt SWR meter. A couple of DX world map clocks. And a outdoor weather for the north side of the house. Come on over here to the main operating position. We've got a older, which is our primary radio, the IC751A. Works fine. This is the Tower 2 control for the A4S. And I also have an 11-element 2-meter beam on top of that. And this is the Yaesu controller for the 2-element 40-meter beam, which is on Tower 1. And a couple of microphones here. Got the ICM that I usually use on the 706 Mark II-G. And I have a boom mic here that also has a Heil element in it that I use primarily on the 751A. And I didn't show you this back here, but it's a mess. But there's the antenna switch for Tower 1 for the beam, 2-element 40-meter beam, or the 40 75-meter wire antennas. I can select either one of those on Tower 1, which is 63 foot of Roan 25. Tower 2 actually is 30 feet, so the A4S is only at 30 feet. A couple of switches back here. I can switch whatever radio I want to whatever antenna system I want, and vice versa. And over here we have some VHF, my VHF desk here, VHF and UHF. Have a TMV7A that I use on UHF and VHF, and it's hooked up to a Jetstream vertical antenna, dual band, up on top of the tower at 63 feet. This is one of the first radios that me and my dad ever bought back in the 70s. It's a Yaesu memorizer. It's a 227R. Puts out about 8 watts still. I've got it hooked up to a 2-bay antenna on the tower, on the side of the tower for VHF. This is a Motorola GM300, which I use on UHF, and it's hooked up to a little 6-element beam that I've got on top of the pole barn out back. And this one is a old Motorola Max Track, which I have hooked up to another Jetstream on the side of the house, and it works pretty good. And we have the Diamond watt meter for watching SWR. We have the RF Concepts 2-315 which I use on 2-meter sideband, and it works pretty good through the 11 element horizontal 2-meter beam. Signal link, use it for digital on the ICOM 706 Mark II-G, which would be sitting here, but I just got back from a trip, so it's still in the mobile. Landliner speakers, some other Motorola speakers, etc. So there you have it. I'm currently the public information officer, or one of them, for the Wyoming section, and been an ARRL member since 1978. I have a CS700 DMR handheld that's on loan from Laramie County Emergency Management. Also have an older XTS 3000 that I listen to public service on, and my Accurite weather station, which I have on Weather Underground right now. So there you have it. Some of the VHF and UHF awards that I've won over the couple of years in the past, and some other QSO Party awards that I've collected. Anyway, that's about it. My cup of coffee is running low, so I think I'll go grab another cup. And of course, we're all looking forward to Dayton Hamvention 2016 coming up, May 20th and 22nd of 2016. So there you have it. This is the shack of WY7KY, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. 7-3.